Baik Kak, tunggu sebentar ya, saya cek ketersediaan kamarnya. Baik Kak, untuk hari ini kami memiliki kamar tersedia dengan tipe standar dan family. Apakah Kakak ingin informasi detailnya?
Boleh, dengan saya untuk keseluruhan saya ya.
Baik Kak, saya sarankan untuk mengambil kamar yang standar, hanya 500.000 per malam, sudah termasuk sarapan untuk satu orang, ada TV, AC, dan kamar mandi dalam.
Oke, saya ambil kamar standarnya untuk 1 malam.
Baik Kak, mohon izin KTP atau kartu identitasnya untuk proses check-in.
Baik, sebentar.
Terima kasih Kak Ayunda untuk metode pembayarannya. Apakah ingin debit atau cash?
Pakai kartu saja ya.
Totalnya 500.000 ya. Ini akses ke kamarnya ada di nomor 21, ada di lantai 2. Kakak bisa menggunakan lift di sebelah lobby. Untuk check-outnya maksimal jam 12 siang besok ya.
Baik, terima kasih.
Sama-sama Kak Ayunda, selamat beristirahat.
Good afternoon, welcome to Kalista Ithaka Resort. May I have your name, please?
Hi, it's Sophie and I
Thank you, Miss Sophie. Hi, I'm confirmed. You're staying for 3 nights in a garden view suite, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. With this room, you'll get our Island Delight package. That includes a daily breakfast buffet, 1 special dinner, free access to our main pool, a customized water park, and the gym. You'll also enjoy 30% off spa treatments, and we offer free shuttle to the park on your departure day.
Yes, that's what I'm looking for.
Great. Would you like to join our great cultural night or the movie outlet tonight?
That's so nice. Good night, please.
Perfect. Would you like a breakfast in the restaurant or room service?
In the restaurant, please.
Noted. We also offer spa treatments, water sports, and guided tours. Would you like more info?
Maybe this part I can do later.
Of course. Lastly, would you need help with your luggage or saddle for departure?
No, I'm good.
Alright, here's your room card. Enjoy your stay, Miss Sophie.
Thank you.